Hello, and today we are looking at a plane for both basketball fans as well as aviation fans with the Gemini Jet's Emirates Airbus A380-800 in 1/400 scale, but this is the NBA collaboration one with Emirates. So as you can see, it comes packaged in this nice blue box with NBA logos here as well as Emirates, the model of the plane, the Airbus A380-800, as well as the scale, as well as on the back we have an image of the plane, identical to the one found inside, and as you can see already, the Emirates NBA livery on it, as well as some specification information such as span, length, height, and this is of a real Airbus A380-800, as well as a little bit about this livery. As you can see, it says, as the official airline partner of the National Basketball Association, Emirates is dedicated to bringing basketball fans around the world closer to the game they love. Now let's open up the box and have a look at the model itself. See, it's popped open like so. As you can see, it's a very nice size model, as this is an A380. It is going to be on the larger side. So, and there you have it. The Emirates A380-800 in 1/400 scale. Now, as you can see, this is a highly detailed die-cast metal model with tons of lovely details. As you can see, that's looking at the wings. You can see the flaps, the ailerons, got the nice wingtip fences. As you can see, they've got little Emirates logos on them as well. As you can see, they've got 2 engines on each wing, each with Emirates logos. This is a quad jet airliner. You can see on both sides. See right up here we've got a little Airbus A380-800. Down here we have a registration of A6EOD, and then looking at the tail, on the stabilizers you can see the flaps and sorry, not the flaps, the elevators and the rudders on the vertical and horizontal stabilizers. Underneath you can see we've got very nice landing gear detail as well, and a little space for a stand here, which is very nice and very detailed. Now let's look at the livery itself. You can see it's got the big Emirates written on here, and the Emirates, the flag, obviously on the stabilizer, as is traditional for an Emirates flag, Emirates livery, as well as the NBA logo here, an official partner of the NBA written as well, with a little bouncing basketball, and a dark blue covering the majority of the fuselage, rather than the white typically associated with an Emirates plane. Now if we turn to the other side, and you can see it's the same level of detail on this side as well. The same livery running all across. It's very nice. Very, very good. Now obviously the A380 is the world's largest passenger airliner and the only full-length double-deck jet airliner. As you can see, it's got 2 floors indicated by the 2 rows of windows. You can see it focus. 1, 2. It's the only airliner to have 2 full rows, starting from top front to back, 2 rows. And of course, it's in the NBA livery, so it's a very, very special plane for fans of both basketball and aviation. Now, this model has a wingspan of about 19.9 centimeters and is about 18.2 centimeters long, which is on the larger side of 1/400. So it's the world's largest passenger airliner. It's going to be on the large side of 1/400 scale models. And it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.